There's the turkeys.
Who needs to go out in the field where they can just hunt right out the window?
Look at all of them.
Little babies. Where's the mama? There's one.
That one back there is bigger. We need to let them get a little bigger before we kill them. Hey?
Mm-hmm.
That's
Hi!
Scott?
Oh, that's the mama right there, the big one.
Where?
That's walking towards the fence.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, are they going for the garden?
Hey. The other day I saw them and they were on the fence just hanging out.
Eating?
I don't know. They're dispersing though. They're just. Uh-oh. Oh, look. She's way over there. Where do you think you're going? Are you going? Because I've already seen peck holes in my tomatoes, so you better not be going over there. You dirty rascal. Oh, look, they're in the front yard too. By the truck. There's a turkey.